In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PDF file in Google Sheets. If you're tired of copying and pasting chunks of text that wreck your layout, this is the cleanest way to preview a PDF right inside a cell, without clutter or chaos. Here's the idea. Google Sheets has a handy feature called a Smart Chip. It turns a simple cell into a neat, clickable reference to your file, so your spreadsheet stays organized and your documents are always just a hover away. Start by clicking into the cell where you want the PDF reference to live. Type the @ symbol, then begin typing the name of your PDF. As you type, Sheets will suggest files you can access. Choose the correct PDF from the suggestions, and the cell instantly transforms into a Smart Chip. It'll look like a compact label with a small icon, almost like a professional button for your file. That's it. No messy links, no pasted text, just a clean, readable chip. To open it, simply hover your mouse over the chip. A mini preview pops up right away, showing a quick snapshot of the PDF so you can confirm you've got the right document. If you want a closer look, click the Open Preview icon in that pop-up. The full preview opens in a panel overlay, letting you read the entire PDF while still staying in your spreadsheet. You can scroll, skim, and reference your data without switching tabs or losing your place. This approach keeps your sheet clean and efficient. Instead of walls of text or long links, each cell can neatly point to the exact document you need. It's perfect for receipts, reports, contracts, anything you want to keep handy without bloating your sheet. You can align chips alongside rows of data, resize columns so they look tidy, and keep your workflow smooth. A few quick tips for a seamless experience. Make sure the PDF is stored in your Google Drive and that you have access to it. If you don't see the file at first, keep typing the exact name until it appears in the suggestions. And remember, hovering is the fastest way to confirm you've got the right document, while Open Preview gives you the full read without leaving Sheets. That's all there is to it. Type it and the file name to create a Smart Chip, hover to get the mini preview, and click Open Preview to read the whole PDF inside Google Sheets. Simple, clean, and incredibly efficient.